Hi everyone. This is Kai, and today I had a wonderful experience, a first time experience, experiencing the first drive of my life on the EV. First drive is with none other than the convoy vehicle of Bharat Maha EV Rally. It's actually a proud moment for me, and I thank our president, Dr. Rajiv Mishra, to give me the steering. And normally, okay, although I have about 40 years of experience in driving an IC engine vehicle, but any new vehicle given to me, I take my sweet time to understand and feel the vehicle. And only when I get the grip of the vehicle and the confidence about understanding the nuances of each new vehicle, I don't I don't keep cruising further. So I take my cool time and I go slow like an elbowed. Although my experience is about 40 years now driving vehicles. And once I get the feel, the complete feel of a vehicle, it is then I'll start cruising. And that way, with this new experience of driving an EV in my life, I took about half an hour, and once I got the feel of the vehicle, and then I started enjoying. I think the highest speed that I could have gone today should be about 90, 95 kilometers, and that's the speed I did. And well, I should also tell you that unlike the regular vehicles, the advantage in the EV is that all you need is your hands on the steering, and the other one is your one leg, the right leg. That's all is wanted. And your left leg is free, and your left hand is absolutely free. So that is the first beautiful experience of working on the EV. And yes, I do know several regular cab drivers who have been slogging for thousands of kilometers, taking people around, and they have all the difficulties over a period of time that invariably they'll end up into some kind of knee or a foot problems, and hospitalization thereafter. So this, I think, is a great opportunity. If you own an electric vehicle, you're saved to a good extent on leg, knee, and foot-oriented problems. So this is my first observation about an EV. And driving is pretty child-based or babyish, and all you need to do is if you just know how to handle a vehicle, thereafter you start your responsible movement. That's about it. And one should also understand that in life, it is after all ultimately the responsibility that is what matters. And therefore, it is a pretty enjoyable journey. And on my first drive, I did about 70 kilometers. That is between Ajmer and Udaipur. There's another probably 120 kilometers for us to go to Udaipur. And right now, the vehicle is on charge. And there you see our vehicle getting charged. And this is the atmosphere where the charging station is located. Well, a lot of charging stations, they don't have sufficient shelters around the chargers. Well, of course, we can't blame the charging station owners. Why? Because we are just in the great transition from the IC engine systems onto the EVs, and therefore a good lot of break-evens and that kind of business has not really taken off. Although some vantage points, people are making some good money, but not all the locations. So therefore, over periods of time, definitely there's going to be a lot of improvement. And I think till now, from the first day of the rally, this must be about, I think this is the fourth day, and we would have, on an average, we would have done about 1,000 kilometers of travel till now. And yes, although there could have been some hassles, we really enjoyed the drive. And I will share with you in the next video what kind of hassles we would have faced. But it's all part of the fun, right? So see you in the next session, and take care. And those of you who have still not taken off buying your EVs, please start buying it. It's worth, because it keeps you very relaxed in driving, and of course the cost of fuel or the energy is still down. So wish you all the best. See you again, and I request all of you to be part of Bharat Maha EV Rally. Thank you.